Hello everyone, my name is Arnoldina Zitirendo and I am a second semester student in the English Education Department. In this video, I am going to review an epic fantasy novel that I have been reading over the past 3 weeks for my final exam assignment. The book is titled Words Unseen, which is the first installment of the Seventh Word trilogy by Russell Starr Thompson. The story takes us to a fantasy realm known as the Seventh Word, where the force of light and darkness are locked in a deep spiritual battle. The plot centers on Maggie Sheffield, an orphan girl with a traumatic past who unexpectedly gets caught up in a massive imperial conspiracy. It all begins when an old man arrives carrying a mysterious stolen scroll. The scroll reveals a terrifying truth. The ruling Morel dynasty has secretly bartered the world away to an ancient darkness called the Blackness. To prevent the protective veil of the world from tearing apart completely, Maggie journeys to the city of Traffic. Alongside the underground university resistance and a group of spiritually awake individuals known as the Gift. Maggie must find the courage to fight the Empire and restore hope to their world. My feeling after finishing this novel is absolutely captivated and deeply moved. At the beginning, the atmosphere of mystery and danger kept me on the edge of my seat, making me truly empathize with Maggie's internal struggles and fears. However, as the story progressed, my emotions shift to excitement and inspiration. It was incredibly powerful to watch the characters unite, stand firm in their faith, and bravely fight against a tyranny far greater than themselves. The ending left me with a sense of hope and honestly a lot of curiosity to read the second book right away. And for my friend and fellow readers, here are three reasons why you should definitely pick up Words Unseen. 1. An immersive and unique fantasy world. If you love classic stories like The Chronicles of Narnia or The Lord of the Rings, you will instantly fall in love with the rich lore, the concept of the veil, and the spiritual themes built into this universe. 2. Compelling character growth. Maggie is not a fearless hero from day one. Her transformation from a traumatized young woman into a courageous leader makes her journey incredibly relatable and inspiring. 3. Powerful visuals and deep message. The author does a beautiful job of showing how standing up for truth, keeping hope alive in dark times, and trusting a higher purpose can change the course of history. That concludes my review of words unseen for my final exam assignment. I highly recommend this book to anyone looking for an adventurous and meaningful read. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.